back with another video, and I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. This is just some stuff that I picked up recently. I got some good finds, and I want to go ahead and do the video. I was going to set up the Canon camera, but that's just too much. I might just so I went thrifting, and I want to share with you guys what I got. So, girl, the first thing that I found was these shoes. You cannot see these. Like, there we go. They have like a gold metallic, I guess, I don't know if that's what you call it, but they have like a gold tint to them, and then they have like these rhinestones or something on them. They're really cute. I got these because I thought they were really cute. These are Betsy Johnson's, and I looked them up online. Betsy Johnson's can be like $118 and more. So I got these beautiful Betsy Johnson heels for like $4. They have the heart on the back, the Betsy Johnsons. So I got those. What we got next? So yeah, I've been thrifting and finding some really cute stuff. So I got this. This is just a plain gray t-shirt. Oh, what am I doing? A plain gray t-shirt is from Danskin. So I bought this to work out in because I got this American Eagle jacket, which the t-shirt was $4. This American Eagle jacket was $5. So it's just a jean jacket. I'm going to actually hang this back on her. My assistant is over here with me. Can I put this back over? Okay. Got that. My daughters bought me this for Mother's Day. One of them is in here. She doesn't know she bought me this, but the other one knows. So I'm kind of like into yellow right now. So I got this shirt. It's it has like a V-neck right here, and then the back is kind of out in the back. It's polka dots with yellow and white. So I got that for Mother's Day. Next is a thrift item. I got LuLaRoe, and this was $4. So I got me a LuLaRoe shirt. I only bought this because when this stuff was really popular, I wanted a shirt like this, similar to this, and I found me one for $4. So I went ahead and got it. Okay, what's next? Okay, I got these. These were $4. These are North Carolina sweatpants. $4. Because, like, most of the time during the day, when I'm down in the floor playing with the kids and stuff, the kids that I watch, I wear, like, leggings and sweatpants and very comfortable clothing most of the time. Okay, what's next? Okay, I got these workout pants. These are Champion, $4. Some Champion workout pants. So I'm trying to get back fit and whatnot. Oh, this is weird. Look at this. It's got like this opening at the bottom. Did you see that? If these don't fit me, I will be giving these to my other daughter. This one? Nope, not you. The other daughter. The one that's skinny mini. I got these. These are Addidas. They were $6. But they had a markdown thing. So I think I got these for like $3. These are Addidas. These are actually the cut off Adidas. These are not the full length ones. The ones that I have been informed that are like the trend now. Like the
track pants.
The track pants. Excuse me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I got this Puma sweatshirt for $4. Like I said, I like to be comfortable. Get down on the floor with these children. Okay. This is another LuLaRoe item. And it was $4. And this is, I don't remember what they call this, but it's, no, this is not a cardigan. They have names. I can't think of them, but. Oh.
What's it called?
I don't know.
Lulu.
This is a dress that my girls got me for Mother's Day.
I remember that.
Oh, I don't know if I'm in. Yeah, I'm in there. So it's just like a sundress, I guess, that they got me.
How much was it?
It was cheap. It came from Dollar General. $12.50. And then I got this. Why do I always do that? I got these Nike. Do you see this stuff I got, girl? I got these Nike pants from the Goodwill. It says $12 on here. I got these for $4. Some more workout pants. Because I've been working out. And I'm going to continue to work out. Okay, now you gotta go get the heels. And then last but not least, I got a pair of Calvin Klein heels. Which I'm waiting on my assistant to go get. So these are my Calvin Klein heels that I got. I've been rocking my shoes with my purse to church, girl. Oh. Yeah, but I got these. These are very nice. I'm so glad I got these. At my Goodwill, if you go early on a Saturday morning, you can get shoes galore because I be racking up on shoes at the thrift store. So, and when we went, the last time we went and I got those shoes and the Betsy Johnson shoes, I had a cart full of shoes, but I put half of them back because I was like, somebody else needs to get some too. So anyways, that is my thrift haul, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.